Armanii and Govana repping for the brand. Highlights now from Guinness Pull Up.
This is what I say. Anything Guinness do Allah. No boy, no girl, no go around that. Guinness.
It's more healthy, you know, it's sweet, it's good, it's bitter, and it, you know what I mean? Manly.
Man feel like a champ right now.
Man feel like a champ right now. Smiling to the bank right now, yeah.
Guinness is a mainstream brand. Recruiting a new generation within dancehall.
Grammys, you know? Yeah, that's how we operate.
We mix it now with strong back. Me a get lean in but him jump off a truck.
The food is exquisite. They really hit the mark with that one.
No, we don't like nothing sweet. Sweets are for the girl them. This that it. We prefer sweet still, man. Like a pump. I have two more with a bullet. So it vibes up same way.
We'll have two DJs. It's Guinness, it's Governor, it's the street, it's branding, you know what I mean? And your brand is everything. The place full and it's a great vibe. They're sharing a stage, entertaining the crowd. They're both interchanging a set. So one DJ play a song and next DJ play a song.
I feel like I just do hard work for them see, put in the craft, you know, along with the personality and the respect I'm out for the game. So all of them there in a one just give them the perfect dish, you know what I mean?
Really a showcase of their skill.
Who are going out first? Governor Armanii, who are going out?
Armanii, definitely the new school. I'm hot in my bubble right now.
Armanii, of course. Armanii.
Wicked at us, me, you know. Don't make nobody tell you say you can. Always bigger than the program.
What them say, anything what them say.
And I feel like Governor is the bridge between the new school and the old school. Most of my music is storytelling. I'm telling sometimes a story. I never still keep it fresh to the ladies. I will still keep it straight for the youths them. My favorite Governor song is Champ. Favorite Armanii song, 8 p.m. When you hear Guinness, I want you to think about culture, I want you to think about dancehall, I want you to think about heritage, I want you to think about football, I want you to think about greatness.
Love it when you whine, you want to make you sit in bunks. I say you bad.
Tune in to hear all the time. Feel like a champ right now. Now we tell you 4 story now, 4 story house.